My name is Rajat Nair. My register number is URK19CS1107. Today we're gonna talk about on the topic doubly linked list implementation. So basically we need to stimulate the working of doubly linked list with the operations insert, delete, search and display. So basically a doubly linked list contains an extra pointer which is typically known as previous pointer. So that we can store the address of the previous nodes. So basically we moving on to the code part. So here I've done this in the C language. You can see I've included stdu.h and stdlib.h. Now we are creating a structure node and giving and data, initializing it with integer data type, and creating inside that node structure we are creating another two structures, node of pointer next and pointer prep. So now we are creating a head pointer, another structure node, and we are creating some functions, that is insert at beginning, insert at last, and insert at specify, delete at beginning, delete and delete specify, search, display. So basically let's move on to the insert at beginning. So basically we have created a ptr structure. Here ptr will be storing like where here ptr is assigned as store node star malloc size of structure node. Basically it's just storing the address of that particular node. Now if ptr is equal to null, then we should print a statement that is overflow. Else if not, just take the value from the user, and if our head value is equal to null, then assign the ptr of data equal to item. Now if ptr of data is equal to item, when you have assigned this ptr of data equal to item, then assign ptr of prev equal to null, and also assign ptr of next equal to null. So that's how it's like we are creating a one node, so one data only. So head will be equal to ptr. Otherwise what you have to do, we need to again give ptr of data equal to item, and we should give ptr of prev equal to null, and also ptr of next equal to head. Then assign that head, which is assign heads prev equal to ptr, and again give the same head equal to ptr. So basically we're just giving when we have a node in this, what we have to do, we need to get another node. So but just basically we are creating the null, the basically if a new node is coming, its address will be, we don't know, so we have to connect it with the already node already there. So for that we are just creating ptr of prev and next to be null and head. So basically it's for insert at beginning. For insert at last, you need to get another node, that is temp, along with ptr. Now what you have to do, just take the value from the user, that is the item, and put and assign that item into ptr of data. Now if ptr equal to null, it will say overflow. Otherwise check the condition, if head equal to null, ptr of prev and ptr of next will be null, and assign that head value equal to ptr. Now else we have created a temp node for just storing the head value. So if that temp of next is not equal to null, so basically you should give it last. So basically it will say where is the last node, there the node's next value will be null, because address will be null, because after that no node is there. So what you have to do, we have to check while that temps of next is not equal to null, you should give temp equal to temp of next. So basically just creating the address of the upcoming node. So just give temp of next equal to ptr, and assign ptr of prev equal to temp, because temp is at the last and the ptr is the coming, so ptr will store the previous address of that temp. Now just give, because ptr is new, so it will be the last, so last node's address is not there because it will be null. So just giving ptr of next equal to null. So node inserted. Now insert at specific location. Here what you have to do, just you need to give a specific location where you have to insert. So I've created a loop statement, that is, you can see here, for I equal to 0 and I is less than LOC. LOC means location. So just giving temp equal to temp of next. If temp equal to null, location not found. Otherwise, what you have to do, just giving every values and next values and previous values to ptr and temp. So basically ptr of prev is equal to temp and ptr of next is equal to temp of next, and temp of next is should temp of next and its previous should be ptr, and also temp of next equal to ptr. So basically node is inserted. Now basically in this code, what a user will get an item to store in a specific location, and if the location is given as 1, so it will store the what is the index value, like basically what we have from beginning. First will be 0, first node will be at position 0, then 1. So if the user gives at location 1, then the new node which will be stored in the doubly linked list will be stored after the 1 location. So it will be stored at second location basically. Now delete at beginning. Delete at beginning is like, if head equal to null, you need to flow underflow. Otherwise, just what you have to do, we need to free the ptr. So basically first node will be of our ptr. So what we have created, head of next equal to null. Now also ptr will be equal to head and head equal to null. So what we have to do, we need to free ptr. So if we have to free ptr, we can have that node, first node deleted. Otherwise again we need to check, if head of next is not equal to null, then what we have to do, we need to assign ptr equal to head and give the head equal to head of next, and also head of prev will be equal to null. So that we have created a head pointer, so that we are storing that ptr into head and we can free the ptr from the structure. So we are providing free ptr. Now for deleted end is like, if head equal to null, we should store underflow. Same condition, just here we need to check a while condition where ptr of next is not equal to null. So basically, because we are creating the deleting the last, so if our node has 5 nodes, so basically you need to check every node that who is the last one. So basically that ptr of next not equal to null will be stored, will till it will check and it will go what to do. What it will do, it will assign ptr equal to ptr of next, and also it will assign prev to its previous address and next address as null. So then we can free that ptr. Now same, what is delete function? Delete function, we need to create 2 more pointers like ptr1 and temp. So basically we need to check that ptr of data is not equal to ptr. So basically if you give a data like I have 20, 15 and 5 remaining in the data, so you have to ask the user that from where you need to delete, from after which node you have to delete. So if I want to delete 15, so basically I have 20, 15 and 5. So basically after 20 there is the 15 coming. So what you have to do, you need to give 20 as the answer, so that 15 will be deleted. So how it will gonna work, we are checking while ptr of data not equal to data, then ptr of will be equal to ptr of next. So every time next values will be increasing, it will check this where 20 is coming, then afterwards it will stood there and it will see after that 15 is there, 15 is there, then it will free that. So basically we are creating another statement, that is if statement. Here ptr of next of next equal to null, and also here we are storing it in a temp pointer, that is temp equal to ptr of next, so that it will remain same there, and you can see that 15 where we have to remove that 15. So now if 15 is stored in the temp, so basically free temp. So basically now after 20th node 15 is coming, so 15 will be stored in the 20. So now node deleted. So basically, otherwise you just want, we need to every time check it, every time um, check that temp equal to ptr of next, and ptr of next is equal to temp of next, or otherwise temp of next is prev equal to ptr. So everything ptr node should be equal to is address, that next address and previous address should be equal to temp, so we can free temp. Now for searching, we are creating some more variables like item, like I and flag. So if and we are assigning ptr equal to head. Now if ptr is equal to null, just provide empty list, otherwise get the item you want to search, and it will check if ptr till that ptr is not equal to null. And in that we are creating a if else statement in which if ptr of data equal to item. So if you want to search 20, so if it will check 20 is equal to 20 or not. So ptr of data, basically ptr of data is like 20 is equal to item is also 20. So it will check it, and it will tell item found at location I plus 1. So basically I we have initiated with 0. So if 20 and 15 are remaining in the node, it will say at first position 20 is there. Otherwise it will say what we have to do, we need to increase that I, and then again check it same way if statement works, and then if not, it will say item not found. Now in display we need to just give ptr a while loop in which ptr is not equal to null, and also just printing ptr of data and assigning the ptr equal to ptr of next. So every time it will do ptr equal to ptr of next till how many nodes are there in the structure. So let's run this code. So here I am inserting 3 numbers, that is 1, this is 10, and I am assigning 20, and I am assigning 30. So you can see, well, I can display 30, 20 and 10 are displayed. Now I insert at beginning is working. Now we have to insert at end and insert at any location, random location. So basically for end we need to give 2 and enter value. I am providing 5. Now I have to insert at a random location, so basically I am giving 3, enter value 15. So I am giving at location 1. So after location 1 it will say, it will enter 15 after the location 1. So if I display it, you can see 30, 20, 15, 10 and 5 are there. So insert function is working well. Now delete from beginning, so provide 4. So node deleted, you can see node deleted. So let's run once again. You can see 30 is deleted. Now there is no 30 inside this. Now do one thing, let's delete the last. So you can see node deleted. So let's display it. You can see the 5 was the last. 5 was the last. Now you can see in this only 20, 15 and 10 are remaining. Now you need to delete at a specific location. So enter the data after which the node is to be deleted. So if I provide 20, then 15 should be deleted. So it will say node deleted. Let's check it by display function. So it will say only 20 and 10 are there. Okay, now let's check the search. So if enter item you want to search, if I want to check 15, so it will say item not found, because only 20 and 10 are there. So it will say item not found. Now enter your choice. So I want to search again, and I want to search 20. So it will say item, you can see item found at location 1, because 20 is at location 1. So because I created in my code I equal to 0, so 0 plus 1 will be equal to 1. So it will say item found at location 1. So hereafter I can exit it, and you can see I have exited and the code is right. So here is the doubly linked list implementation. I have done it with C language. Thank you.